Mornings can be hectic, but starting your day with the right foods can set a positive tone for the hours ahead. A nutritious breakfast can boost energy levels, improve concentration, and elevate your mood. Let's explore the best 5 morning foods that are not only delicious but also packed with essential nutrients to kickstart your day. 1. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a classic choice for a reason. This hearty breakfast option is incredibly versatile and offers a plethora of health benefits. Rich in soluble fiber, oatmeal helps stabilize blood sugar levels and keeps you feeling fuller for longer. Cooking up a bowl of oatmeal is as simple as adding water or milk and letting it simmer. You can personalize your oats by adding toppings like fresh fruits, nuts, or a dash of cinnamon. For a protein boost, consider swirling in some nut butter or yogurt. The combinations are endless, making oatmeal a delightful and satisfying breakfast. 2. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a powerhouse of protein, making it one of the best morning foods. Not only does it deliver a creamy texture, but it also provides probiotics that are great for gut health. Enjoy it plain or jazz it up with toppings like granola, honey, and seasonal fruit. Berry blends work particularly well, adding sweetness and antioxidants. You can also make a yogurt parfait by layering yogurt with fruits and nuts in a glass. This visually appealing dish is not only tasty but also fuels you for a busy day ahead. 3. Avocado toast. Avocado toast is a trendy breakfast option that has taken the culinary world by storm. Avocados are loaded with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, and various vitamins. Simply mash a ripe avocado onto whole grain or sourdough bread and enhance it with toppings like cherry tomatoes, radishes, or a perfectly poached egg for added protein. For a kick, drizzle some olive oil and a sprinkle of red pepper flakes. This delicious combination is not only visually stunning but also provides sustained energy to power through your morning. 4. Smoothie bowl. Smoothie bowls are an energizing way to start your day, combining nutrition with creativity. Begin by blending your favorite fruits, vegetables, and a base like yogurt or almond milk until smooth. Pour the mixture into a bowl and top it with a variety of delightful ingredients. Think sliced bananas, berries, seeds, and granola. This vibrant breakfast is not only refreshing but allows you to pack in a bounty of vitamins and minerals. Plus, you can get creative with flavors, mixing and matching ingredients according to your taste preferences. 5. Eggs. Eggs are often hailed as one of the best sources of protein and essential nutrients. Whether you prefer them scrambled, boiled, or poached, eggs are incredibly versatile. You can serve them on their own, or pair them with various vegetables for a nutrient-packed breakfast scramble. Consider creating an egg sandwich with whole grain bread and spinach for an added crunch. You can also make an omelette loaded with your favorite fillings, from cheese to peppers, for a filling and satisfying meal. Eggs not only help with muscle repair but also keep you feeling satiated well into the day. Conclusion. Incorporating these 5 fantastic morning foods into your breakfast routine can nourish your body and elevate your energy levels.